Yeah, I often spill coffee. And in order to clean up the coffee, I almost have to take 2, 3, 4 pieces of paper towel in order to really be able to clean the whole thing up. So those were 3 paper towels. And I have to throw them away. I used the paper towel, and using the paper towel, I really need quite a few paper towels in order to clean up the spill. But if I take Morningrain, look how that works. I just go over once, and it will clean it up in one swoop. There you have it, Morningrain. And I can wash it off at the sink. And there we have it, a new clean washcloth. Morningrain. Hi, let me tell you about a great dish rag. The dish rag is called Morningrain. It comes in different colors. There's pink. Personally, I like blue. It comes in purple, in green. Maybe some of you have a green kitchen. And there's gray and blue and yellow and sort of a brownish pink combination. The dish rag is eco-friendly, and it comes from Sweden, and it is made from a special material, 30% cotton and 70% cellulose. It can clean oil spills, and it's just great in the kitchen. You can clean it in your dishwasher after you have used it many times. Buy the eco-safe Swedish dishcloth called Morningrain. Okay, this is a wonderful new dishwash rag. It's called Morningrain, and it will simplify your life, and it will save the planet. Again, it's eco-safe. It is a Swedish dishcloth, and it is 30% cotton and 70% cellulose, and it even cleans oil spills. Instead of using all these paper towels, use one Morningrain.